Welcome to another video on this channel. In this video, I'll give you 7 side hustles you can get started right now to make some extra money in addition to whatever you are earning right now. You see, in Ghana here, most of our jobs are all low income jobs, and those of us who are doing this kind of jobs too, we are aiming to become something great in future. Now, you can imagine if you are working and you are earning less than 1,000 cedis, how long will it take you to, continue the school you want to continue, or upgrade yourself, or start the business you want to start? You see, that's why it's very important to get some other side incomes that can help you to, increase your income. So that's what this video is all about. So if you find this video helpful at any point, be sure to give it a like so that it can help other people out there. Let's get started. So side hustle number 1 is dustbin cleaning. Now, this is not a fancy job at all, but it's one way that can help you to increase your income. And how this works is, you see, if you go to some areas, you see that the dustbin that people have been using, like the Zoom Lion boxes, you see that they are very dirty. It's not because they just want to leave them like that. Some people, they don't have the time to clean these dustbins, and if they wake up, they go to work, they come back, they go again, and they keep repeating that. So they don't have the time to wash some of these dustbins. So if you can take it upon yourself and say, oh, Charlie, today, dear, I want to wash these dustbins for you guys so that I'll make like 70 Ghana from this, or 80 Ghana, or at least 50 Ghana from every single bin that I clean. Some people will give you the chance to do that. It's not a fancy job, as I said, but this is one way that can give you some extra income. Now, to get started with this, you need a high pressure sprayer. And now I'm not talking about a high pressure pump, a simple high pressure sprayer. In Ghana here, you can get some below 200 Ghana cedis. The last time I checked at China Mall, is less than 200 Ghana cedis. So you can get one of that, a brush and a soap. That's all you need. So in all, you are spending less than 300 Ghana cedis for this particular business. So this is one business that I believe can help. And this is an idea I got from a YouTuber called, I think, Mayu. So this is the first side hustle you can get started in Ghana. Side hustle number 2 is real estate agency. Now, this is not you being any professional real estate agent or being any registered real estate agent. This is simply you advertising an empty apartment to people, and anytime people come to occupy that empty apartment, you make a commission from there. So that is how it basically works. As a beginner, you're not going to be making money consistently, but anytime people call you to rent any apartment that you're advertising, you make a commission from there. So that is one, side hustle you can get started in this 2023. So side hustle number 3 is digital marketing. So this is where you are basically using your online knowledge to promote a product and services for companies. So maybe it can be in the form of advertising for them, or writing content on their website for them, or simply doing something that is related to the online space that can help them to generate leads to their websites and other things that you might think of. If you're interested in this particular one, but you don't have the digital marketing skill, I did a video showing you how I took a free digital marketing course on Google and got certified. So if you're interested, I'll leave that video in the description below so you can check that video out. I believe it can help you to get some ideas about digital marketing for you to start some of these, side hustles. So the next one is video content. So this is where if you have a skill in video production or video editing, you can do videos and sell it out to some people. So maybe a company needs a video for an advert, you can create these videos for them and you make some money from there. Or maybe you can create videos and post them on social media like YouTube, Instagram, and so on. Because now the demand for video content are increasing. Because at first, if you go to some platforms like Instagram, they used to promote pictures a lot, but now they are more into video content than pictures. And even if you come on Google now, you can testify yourself. If you go on Google right now, at first, you see articles all line up, but now you see videos line up more than even articles. So this shows how the demand for video content are, they are increasing. So video content is one side hustle you can get started and make some extra income right now. Last one is writing. So this is basically you writing for yourself or writing for some companies. So it can be you writing or developing your own blog, or maybe writing sales letters for some companies, writing emails for some companies, or maybe just writing even your own book so that you publish it on Amazon or other publishing platforms. So writing also comes with a lot of benefits. So this can be a great side hustle. If you don't know where to start at all, at least I've did some videos about some platforms that can help you to start earning from writing from scratch. There's a lot of benefit to that. So if you are beginning and you want to make some quick money as you progress, I think you should go through some of my videos, and I believe you get to know how to earn from your writing. All right, so the sixth side hustle is reselling or arbitrage. So this is where you try to profit on a particular product or service. So an example is, let's say this particular book, they are selling this particular book, let's say 60 Ghana cedis in one market. If I go to the market to buy this book and sell it in a different market and make some difference, that is reselling or arbitrage. Very last one, which is number 7, is affiliate marketing. So this is where you know about a particular product or service. So you refer people to buy this product or service using your link called the affiliate link. So anytime people use that link to buy the product you refer to them, then you make a commission from there. So that's what affiliate marketing is all about. Now, there are new ways people are using to make money from affiliate marketing, and I think as time goes on, I'll definitely bring out more videos on this as well. All right, so guys, these are the 7 side hustles that can help you make some extra income aside what you are currently doing. So if you've forgotten, the first one is dustbin cleaning, where you go to the rich communities and clean the dustbins that are outside. Then the second one is real estate agency, and you don't need to start this as a registered agent or a professional agent. So the third one is digital marketing, where you try to market people's products online. So the next one is video content, where you post your videos on YouTube or other social media platforms, or you do videos for companies that need videos for advertising and all that. So the next one is writing, and the 6th one is affiliate marketing. And the very last one is reselling or arbitrage, where you try to make a profit from a particular product by selling this product in a different market. So guys, these are the 7, and I believe this video has been helpful to you. If you find my videos helpful, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos.